Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Does this seem at a different time of the day to you? Well, it is. The clocks have changed here in Texas. So we have a week every year when everything seems a little bit out of sync with you all. However, that's the way it is. Nothing I can do about it. We need to be here. The markets are on my time. So wake up, get out of bed, get ready. Black Monday, opportunities are going to be here today. We've seen the collapse of SVB. We've seen the collapse of Signature in the last 24 hours. More coming today as well. We've got risk for SPCE. What is the involvement with SPCE and SVB? We got some information on the space sector. I think Virgin Galactic is okay. It could actually benefit Virgin Galactic. We'll talk about it today. But we are looking for opportunities in the market this morning, and we are looking to pick up some discounts this morning. So let's get straight into our position. I've freed up $2,000 of capital to use, so we're looking to deploy. It's already put in my Roth IRA. I will bring it on the screen in a minute and show you exactly what I've done with it. And at the moment, it's not spent, but it's ready to rock and roll. So let's go straight in and let me show you exactly where we are right now. Okay, so this is my position on my main brokerage account. I haven't put any money in there. No point. I want to load up my Roth IRA first because I get a 1% match from Robinhood. It's free money, and I want to max that out first and then start building up my brokerage account, then build up brokerage cash, earn 4.5% on Robinhood, then start to deploy it. It's in that order. So here you go. Here's my main position today, and we're down at 0.4%. Remember, 44% of my portfolio is in JNJ. So we're very, very defensive, and for me, that's where we need to be right now. We should be defensive. Okay. Now my Roth IRA, you can see, is now $9,000. This is what I've done this morning. Let me show you. You can see 2022, we maxed out way ahead of schedule. We only started in December. We started on our 23, and we're only $3,500 to go to max that out. So $2,000 went there this morning. So you can see, if I look back on my brokerage, my position, you can see now it only says I've got $1,000. That's because you only get $1,000 instant money with the Roth IRA. There's actually 2,000, but there's 1,000 there that's available. All right, more money's on the way, and it might come today. It's already been deployed, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, so I'm ready to pick up some deals this morning if I can. There should be $2,000 there. Later, which there will be. All right, so there we go. My overall position now is 43. That's going to go up as soon as the other 1,000 arrives. So you can see my position is going up. I've got money on hand, and we're looking to get our discounts this morning. Now, what do we want to get? We want space sector reacts to collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. We're going to be discussing that on the show. Regulators, a close crypto-focused Signature Bank citing systemic risk. We'll be talking about that today on the show. Also, HSBC swoops in to rescue UK arm of Silicon Valley Bank. We'll be talking about that as well. A lot to cover, plus all the breaking news on the show as it happens from around the world. Okay, let's bring in our first comments this morning. Flutter Edits, morning everyone. Good morning, Britmark. They did it so they can keep raising interest rates, also telling they protected depositors and not investors or in owners of the bank itself. 22. So there you go. The Fed guaranteeing depositors' funds sounds like a positive thing for the market until you consider why they did it. 22. Thank you very much indeed. Bill is here. Good morning to you, Bill. Welcome. We've got our Americans, and I think we've got our Canadians. Some of our English people might be late today because on this day, every year, twice a year, in fact, the clocks change, but they change a week ahead of the UK. So it throws everybody off. So they go, hang on a minute, aren't you early? No, it's just because, or aren't you late, whatever. It's because the clocks go back earlier in Texas for some strange, bizarre reason. Anyway, good afternoon, Carl Johnson. How are you? Mike, good morning. All right. So we're all prepared. We're all ready. So let's go through our position and let's have a little look at what we're doing here right now. Okay, loving the earlier stream, yay. It's only earlier for a week. It'll change soon because it's just the Texas clocks. All right, we change before the UK does. So the S&P down 0.5%. Now we want to be very, very careful now. I've called this show Black Monday because of the banks, because of everything else that's going on. But right now, we don't want to be jumping too quickly, because if we look at the global markets today, you can see exactly what they did. Gives us an idea of where we might go. New Zealand opened first, down. It was down a couple of percent. It's now only down 0.5%. Australia, it went down and then it came up and it's going back down again. Nikkei in Japan, down. It's been recovering all day. That was down nearly 2%. Hong Kong did the absolute opposite. That went up double, but I have no idea why. It always tends to do its own thing. Chinese connections, I don't know. The DAX is down 2.5%, recovered a bit but falling back again. FTSE is down 2.25% and still going down. And of course, when our markets open, we'll get something like that. But it's not massive at the moment. I don't think it's just going to be down in 1 minute and then we can buy and that's it. I think that this will last for a couple of weeks because we've got, of course, Jerome Powell speaking on the 22nd. We'll be covering it live on the show. So we've got some time to go. It's not going to be an instant thing today. I don't think we want to be just jumping in at the first opportunity. I have deployed and I have liquidated some of my personal assets to put in $2,000 into my account in my Roth. 1,000 of it is showing, as you can see. The rest, it will take another day to come. It only allows 1,000 at a time to come. It's just the way it works. On my brokerage account, I could have had that money straight away, but that's fine. I wanted to get the benefits of the 1% match. Anyway, so there we go. That's our position right now. So that position will grow over the next 24 hours. Virgin Galactic. Now, I said Virgin Galactic would be at risk, and it is, because the space sector, remember, it's not all about the facts. It's about how people feel. It's about human behavior. We've got fear. There's so much fear with retail investors in Virgin Galactic. So obviously, when you read news like this, which we'll cover later on, and thank you to all my researchers, Eric, Andrew Grady, and others sent in information for me, which I'm sharing on the screen for you right now. So thanks to all my researchers who send in verified facts that I can check. Absolutely brilliant. Through Discord. Absolutely brilliant. So thanks to all of you for providing the information this morning. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us on YouTube. You get a far better experience. What you're looking at on my phone is my YouTube broadcast. It's much better, much more information. On TikTok, you're just looking at the side of my face, looking at the screen, because TikTok isn't a professional financial channel. It doesn't allow me to stream properly from my studio. This is my TV studio, and you can't see any of this because you're watching me on my phone. So if you join me on YouTube, the link's in the profile. It's youtube.com / Martyn Lucas Investor. You'll get a much better experience, much more professional, much more useful facts for you. But some of my people prefer TikTok. It's a different type of platform. Anyway, 31,000 of you like it over there, so thank you very much indeed. Good morning, Eric B. Good morning, Mike, Andrew Grady. The Grady Bunch, hope you enjoyed your Guinness over the weekend. So anyway, am I buying Virgin Galactic yet? No. Remember, that $2,000, if I'm going to bring down my averages in any significant way, I have to wait for it. I have to have patience. We've said we want to get Tesla around the 160. Well, here we go. This is the fear I've been predicting all about when I was saying that Elon Musk wants to buy SVB. Just the rumor of him buying SVB is sending Tesla down. So there you go. You can see it happening right now. And I want to pick some up, and I'll start nibbling soon. I might even buy one at 160. Who knows? But $2,000 will go pretty quick, so I don't want to go absolutely mental. I've got at the moment 2 shares at 116, so that's quite a jump for me. So I've got to have some patience. You know, Tesla's a great company, but it's massively overpriced. And maybe it will go to 160 and back up again. I don't know. If I miss it, I don't care. It doesn't matter. I don't need to own everything. And I'm not buying anything for any price. All right. So welcome everybody this morning. Let me see who's here this morning. Welcome to all of you. If you've just tuned in, if we get 100 likes, we will give away a $10 cash prize during the show. So there you go. Smash the like button. We'll pay it out in either WhatsApp, sorry, not WhatsApp, Cash App or Venmo, anything like that. All right, smash the like button. Let's see how many people we got right now. You ready? Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's bring the show up to date. Let's zoom in and let's see if we can get the likes up. We've got 26 watching. Let's get 20 likes in 1 minute. You ready? Here we go. Let's get 20 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. We've got 27 watching right now. It's a big day today. 26 watching. Let's see if we can get 20 likes in 1 minute. It helps promote the stream. Thank you so much indeed. And if we get 100, I'll give away a $10 cash prize as well. We are going out in 13 different languages as well. If you click the subtitles, it's in English now, but the titles and descriptions are in 13 languages. Plus, once the video is processed, it will go out in 13 languages. Right now, it's just English. 14. Let's see if we can get it up to 15. There we go, nearly there. Let's see if we can get up to 20 likes. That'd be absolutely great. 16. And thank you ever so much, everyone who took part in that. If we can get to 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. But it also helps the channel as well. We'll come back to that in a little while. Thank you very much indeed for being part of that. Thank you. All right. Lucid is going down now. Lucid's in trouble. I don't know if I want to buy any more at this price, to be quite honest. The overall portfolio. We can start going shopping now. We can start to go shopping now. Here we go. The S&P is down. Now I need to switch to my Roth IRA. And let's go shopping. If you've just tuned in, welcome to you. If you see a commercial break now, you can skip the ad. Hello, said Sid. I was promised fireworks today. Yes, you was, because I got a super chat over the weekend. Do you want your fireworks now? Here comes fireworks for Andrew Grady over the weekend. I did a live stream, and he gave me a super chat. And when you get super chat, you get fireworks. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Andrew Grady, for your support over the weekend. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you, Andrew. Cheers, mate. There you go. There's your fireworks, as promised, on time and delivered. All right, okay. Get back to the business in hand. If you're over on YouTube, come and join us. This is where all the fun is. YouTube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. If you subscribe to me today and you click the little star that appears up here at the end of the show to promote your channel, I will put your profile, your channel of TikTok on the screen behind me. I will make a video, upload it to my profile, advertising. I will do a 30-second commercial for your channel, tag you in it, tag my viral post in it, send it to you and put it on my profile and invite my 31,000 followers to follow you. It's a great way to promote your channel. Also, the highest, the top gifter today, I'll follow you back. If you're not a subscriber, but become my top gifter, and you can for like 0.000001 cent, sometimes one rose wins it, I will follow you back and also tag you in my post. I only ever follow back my members on YouTube, my subscribers here, and my top gifters. Only. Be very, very careful. There are over 100 copycats of me on TikTok. They're not me. They're never live, number one. Two, they always message you and trying to sell you stuff. I never message anyone. And three, they're not there to help you. They're there to scam you. I love helping people. I want to grow the best, most honest, real TikTok and YouTube channel in the world. That's my aim. I'm here to help people. We've raised over $1 million for our charities on our music show. Zach has become my top gifter. There you go, Zach. You might, by the end of the show, if you're my top gifter, we'll follow you back. And let's see how you go. All right, let me put you on the screen. We're about to go shopping right now. Let me put you on the screen and you can see what I'm talking about. Here you go. This is what you'll see on YouTube. Here we go. Let me bring you up right now. So it takes about 35 seconds. There's a delay between TikTok and YouTube. But look on the screen in a few seconds. You'll see yourself up there. So Sultan Zach is he's my number one gifter right now. He might be beaten. It normally gets quite exciting as we go, but I will follow you back at the end of the show, whoever's my top gifter, and tag you in my viral posts. All right, good luck to everybody. And if you click the subscribe button, you get exclusive content, plus I'll make you a commercial. There you go on the screen right now. Right, I've got to get back to YouTube because I've got about $80,000 of my own money currently in my portfolio. It's down to about 43, but overall I've invested about $80,000, so it's quite serious. So I need to get back to YouTube now and focus on my money. Okay, hello there, said Sid. Yay, says Andrew Grady. I am over 100% up on the puts from last week. The market is paying a premium for insurance. Very nice indeed. Are you from the UK, Carl? Yes, I'm from the UK. Even though my studio is here in Texas. Rivian taking a dump, also lucid. Yes, indeed, as is Tilray. What do you think of that right now? Down 15%. I am 2.48. I said it would be Black Monday. It's not really there yet, anywhere near, but we're moving towards it all the time. It's Black Monday for me because, as I said and predicted, Virgin Galactic would go down and Tesla, and they have. The fanboys didn't like it. They were all over me over the weekend, calling me an idiot, telling me I'm an idiot, I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, there you go. I was right. And it's not because I know anything or I've got a crystal ball, even though I have, of course. It's just common sense. Hopery doesn't belong in the market. Hopery will get you so far and then drop you and leave you looking like an idiot. There you go. There's my crystal ball. I said today would get the Black Monday, and for my portfolio it is. It's sending my Tesla and it's sending my Virgin Galactic down, which is exactly what I want to happen. It's why I've liquidated assets. Sultan Zach is still my number one gifter over there on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. And if you remain my number one gifter, I will follow you back at the end of the stream. All you got to do is become a number one gifter and I will follow you. Right, there it is. 1.47. Right, I said I'd go shopping. So it's time to go shopping. The S&P 500. Now I'm down 2.5%. Let's buy one. Remember, we've got $2,000. We don't want to go ridiculous. This is not massive. However, that's a nice little start. Buy, limit order. 351. Oh, sorry, 350, 30. One, good for the day. Yeah. Allow to execute. Review the order. I'm missing it already. This is my security checks. I've got to click that. I'm going to miss that now, so that's not going to happen, right? I'm going to have to do my security checks. I hate when this happens. Let me send you over to this account a minute, just so I can do my security without everybody going, that's his password. All right, that's his password. Okay, so here we go. I just need to do this right now. It's the second factor authenticator. You have to do this, which is a good thing, right? But it can be frustrating when you're trying to do this. But there you go. It also slows you down as well. So it's not a bad idea. Okay. Keep me logged in for 30 days. You can't see what I'm doing because I'm simply doing my security. All right. Do you want me to read out my password? Anybody want all my money? There you go. Okay, I can come back to you now. I'll come back to you. Here we go. This is what I just did. So I bought a share of the S&P 500. I was down 2.5%. I'm now down 1.5%. So I brought myself down, and that's the sort of stock I want to buy. Mo, did you pay Martyn for Friday yet? 22. We like 22. 22's going. Excuse me, Mo. You owe Martyn some money. He does. Yeah, he bet me our super chat. Mohammed, you've already bet me. You already owe me a super chat because you were wrong on Friday. You said the markets wouldn't go down, and they did. So you owe me a super chat for Friday. 22's going. Yeah, did you remember that? Anyway, there you go. I've just brought my average down. 350, 60. Very nice indeed. So there you go. Now the that's more like it. The S&P now on my Roth IRA, my S&P is now 12.45%, which is more like it. So if we look at it now, look, 362.83, 350.60. Get in. Now it was just one share. But I was 2.5% down, now 1.5% down. That's really great. That's made me smile, got a good dividend, and I've been wanting to get the S&P for a while. Now, we're not going to go crazy. We've only got another $1,600 to go, $1,700 to go. We're not going to go crazy yet. We want to shop slowly and sensibly, but I'm very, very happy with that. And it's already up nearly approaching $1. So that's why Friday I gave you three. I didn't get any super chats on Friday. 22. No, he didn't, did he? He didn't. I didn't see that. If he says he did, he did. I didn't see it. Nobody else saw it either. Sorry if I didn't see it. Nobody. I don't think you did because we were talking about it all day Friday. But anyway, it doesn't matter. If you say you did, you did. All right. I sometimes miss them. But I don't think so. All right. Anyway, right. So there we go. My position. Let's have a look now. Sultan Zak is still my number one gifter over there on TikTok. So let's see. S&P, I've just bought one. I'm excited. I want to ask you, was that a good buy? Run a poll right now. Was that a good buy? Because some of you might go, no, wait. Some of you might go, yes. Some of you might go, no. There is the poll for you. What do you think? Was that a good buy? You was drunk, Mr. Lucas. Remember those shots? This is true. Except that was Thursday. Except that was Thursday. My birthday was Thursday. What are you talking about? Anyway, but you what? Yeah. And yeah, that was Thursday, Mohammed Kahine, my birthday. You're talking about, you bet me a super chat that the markets would go up, and I said they'd go down, and they did. That was Friday. That was a different day. I don't bloody know. Anyway, whatever. We're only having some fun. Coke ex-dividend date, Thursday. Thank you. Coke, Brickmark, you've just pointed out a very good point. Let's go over to Coca-Cola. Oh, yes. Thank you. What date is it today? Let me just move my notes a minute, because I've just realised I've covered up my notes here. And we want to know what date it is. That's important. That's kind of important, right? 13th. Yes, that's very important. Very, very important indeed. So Coca-Cola, we want to buy defensive today. We're not going all crazy. I'm sure we'll get hate later on why didn't you buy more Virgin Galactic? Because it's not finished going down yet. Okay, I owe you a super chat for Friday when I get to work, your 12 p.m. show. I will send you a super chat. I'm a man of my word today. I'll be green. Do you think today will be green as well? I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Mohammed, everyone's going, that was Thursday, that was Friday. Mr. Lucas, let's make a bet. I say S&P and NASDAQ will be green today. If I lose, I'll send you $10. If you lose, you make a video that you lost to me. Deal? Yeah, I'll make a video. Absolutely, I'll make a video. No problem at all. No problem at all. I'm more than happy to make a video. I think you're wrong. But I'm happy to do it. I'm happy to do it, the S&P. All right, okay. Happy to do it. Love it. I'll make a video. Fantastic. Okay, let's read some more comments. We've got a comment here coming in. I can't share that. No, that's not... that looks like spam. Right, let's go shopping again. 43.3. My Roth IRA is going down. What is going down? VORB. Yep, VORB is falling off a cliff. That's why we want more of the S&P to balance that risk out. Tilray's falling off a cliff. Coca-Cola, yes. Right, Coca-Cola on my Roth IRA. Here we go. Thank you, 22. I shall have a look at that. You should cover this, Martin. It'll be closely watched. Thank you. What is my last buy-in? What is my last buy-in at Coca-Cola? 59.30. 59. Okay, we can start nibbling at Coca-Cola. We got the dividends, of course, in 2 days' time. Don't mind owning more. Defensive is where we need to be. I don't think anything that has happened with SVB Bank will affect Coca-Cola. I think this can only benefit it, to be honest with you, because money will go into it. I don't see this going down massively. It's a good time to buy it. It's only been as low as 58. Okay. My average cost is 60. So it's down 2.25. It's not too bad. Let's pan out and get some context over 5 years. Let's get some feel for it. So it's not that low, really. But the dividend's paying out, of course, so we might get the buy-ins. And, of course, all of that is before, way before Jerome Powell speaks. So none of that's going to have any effect. We've only got 3 days to go. I don't see this going down much lower. Let's look at the chart a minute. Not that I'm a chart reader at all, but let's have a quick look at it and see what it says. While we're doing that, we'll look at McDonald's, because McDonald's is getting to a buy now as well. This is going to be an epic collapse this week, getting close for me to start deploying cash. Market profit is here. No, 69% said no. I would wait. All right, well, I bought one. I'm happy. It's all about patience, isn't it? It's all about patience. Let's look at the overall markets for a moment, and let's see where everything's been going. Let's see what the global markets are doing. If you see an advert, a commercial break, you can skip it if you like. Here is the overall markets. Shall we have a look also? See, we got FTSE down 2.47. We got, look, a lot more drops around the world. So it looks to me where we could get a bigger drop when the bell the bell goes in 28 minutes. But I don't mind. I bought one share of VU. I've got $2,000 to spend. We're not going to just jump all in it. I've got another $1,000 coming on the 21st when I get paid on YouTube. This extra money I found today was I liquidated. I sold some assets. I've sold Leah. She's out. She's outside now. Yeah, she's just, she's been sold. Let me get my camera to focus. There we go. Mr. Lucas, I'll pay you now for the Friday bet. Oh, Mohammed Kahine's going to give me a super chat for Friday. Get ready for the fireworks then. Get ready for the fireworks. Right. Tilray hits 52-week low. Let's go back to our main position. Just coming back up slightly, down 1%. Black Monday today, I called this video. The S&P is coming up, so I did well there. You're all saying it was a bad idea. Oh, we got a super chat. We got a super chat. This was for our bet from Friday. Let's do... We've got another bet today from one of our gold members today, Mohammed Kahine. Let's do a celebration. So thank you ever so much for my super chat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Get in. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Hey. Thank you very much indeed. Awesome. That was from Mohammed Kahine. Thank you very much indeed for that. All right, brilliant stuff. Well, you all said I was wrong. 67% of you said I was wrong for buying the S&P 500. You didn't like it. Well, so far it's proved very lucrative. We shall see. You're missing this live, Martin. What's happening live? You gave me a link. I didn't realize it was live. Let me scroll up. What am I missing? Hang on. Copy link address. You said something's happening live. Okay. Let me have a quick look. We've got something happening right now. I'm going to bring it to you. Oh, hang on a minute. Biden.
Unemployment is below 4% for 14 straight months. Take-home pay for workers is going up, especially for lower and middle-income workers. And we've seen record numbers of people apply to start new businesses, more than 10 million of them. More than 10 million applications over the last 2 years starting businesses. Now we need to keep this progress going. That's what swift action that my administration over the past few years is all about. Protecting depositors, protecting the banking system, protecting the economic gains we've made together for the American people. Thank you, God bless you, and may God protect our troops. See you in California.
Mr. President, what do you know right now about why this happened? And can you assure Americans that there won't be a ripple effect?
Do you expect other banks to fail, Mr. President?
There we go.
Should all depositors be protected at all banks?
Joe Biden there, the President of the United States of America, just speaking. Thank you very much for sending that in. That was very, very useful. We just caught the end of it, but thank you very much indeed to 22 for sending that in. This guy needs to come with a trigger warning. LOL, says N2 Deep. LOL, no question. He shuffles off, reassuring. Okay, here we go. Now then, we're looking at Coca-Cola this morning. We want to pick some up if we can. Banks fall, Bitcoin pumps. There you go. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. There you go. I wouldn't say it's pumping. It's down 0.45% right now, but there we go. Bitty down 11.9%. BITI is down 11.9%. Breaking news just come in there. Okay, so we want to go back to Coca-Cola. We want to go back to McDonald's. Nearly time for a buy. Amazon down 10%. Go to my Roth IRA. Down 5%. So the last time we bought Coke was at 59.30. Biden, I intend to petition Congress and regulators to increase bank regulations. He left Americans on red. All rubbish, can't trust his words, says Red Ricky Dominic. LOL, no questions. 22 said, why would Biden want stronger regulation for banks if they are safe? Good question, 22. Exactly. So, let's have a look. I'm going to have a nibble at Coca-Cola. I'm down 2.25. So here we go. I'm going to lower my average now. Just going to buy a little bit. 59.06. Whoops a daisy. 59.06. 10, no, 5. Above 5 at that. 32, good for the day. Allowed to execute in hours. Yep. 59.06. Let's review the order. Okay, looking at it now, 59.06 down to 25. Okay. That's unusual. It didn't go through. USDC is back up to last week's level before drop. Yes, I took mine off though and put it on my Roth I put it on my, ledger to protect it. I don't trust the banks. I don't trust the exchanges at all. I mean, we've had proof of that over and over and over and over again. It didn't cost me any money to move it. It might cost me a couple of bucks to put it back, but I'd rather it be there. And you might say, well, what's the point of holding it if it goes to zero? And, at least I own it, but true enough. But I wanted to protect my money. It's all about risk management, right? At the end of the day. So that hasn't gone through. 5 shares at 59.06. I'll keep my eye on that. Tilray. Is Tilray worth a buy now? I don't know, to be quite honest. I think it's a $40 stock, but it's very, very risky. It's very, very risky right now. I don't need to. When things get this low, I don't like them. And they need legislation to pass. The overall portfolio of mine has kind of found a bottom for the morning. Let's see if it continues like that. The S&P is going up. I bought another share on my Roth IRA. Virgin Galactic is 482. Still not cheap enough. Virgin Orbit has all but collapsed today, down nearly under $1. Rivian, they lose money. I don't want to buy it at the moment. Tesla, want to buy Tesla. Oh, look at Coca-Cola suddenly do that. Coca-Cola shot up. That's annoying. I tried to buy that, didn't I? It wouldn't let me have it. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Can you believe that? I had the best deal going. Coca-Cola, I bought it at 59 and it wouldn't go through. And look at that, look. That's the big boys. That's a bit unfair, isn't it? Literally, I set an order with plenty of room to. That's annoying. Oh well, doesn't matter. I got enough of it. It's 22% of my portfolio. It's not a problem. Let it go. Frustrating though, right? My Roth IRA is nearly green. Oh well. That's frustrating. Tilray. Let's have a look at not Tilray. Roth IRA. Sorry, J and I beg your pardon. Let's have a look at it. Down 6%. My last time I bought this defensive stock was at 151.85. It is on sale. This is my lowest price. Yep. Quite by some number. It's 44% of my portfolio. It is the best buy at the moment. Coca-Cola with the dividend is attractive though. That is so annoying, isn't it? Anyway, let's go through my portfolio quickly. My portfolio is coming up at the moment. The S&P is coming up. Virgin Galactic is still going down. Virgin Orbit falling off a cliff right now. We don't know if Virgin Orbit has got some connections with SVB. We shall see what happens with that. I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to hold it, and I'm certainly not going to buy any more either. Rivian's going down. Tesla hit as low as 166 a few minutes ago. Lucid. Apple. None of these are low enough yet. We just bought one S&P. And we tried to buy Coca-Cola and they stuffed me. Very annoying. So later on during the show, when things calm down, we'll have a chance to talk about the news. We've got HSB swoops in to rescue the UK arm of Silicon Valley Bank. We'll also be talking about regulators close down Signature Bank as well. We want to talk about that. And also space sector reacts to Silicon Valley Bank. Well, we think that, and thanks to Ed Nevius, I think it was Ed who sent this in. I apologise if it wasn't, about the fact that it could be good for space, SPCE. It doesn't look to be involved with Silicon Valley Bank. Rocket Labs are. So is Virgin Orbit. Anyway, we'll discuss all this later in the show when we get over the bell and into the markets. We shall see. We've got just 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. If you've just tuned in, welcome to you. My overall position at the moment has bottomed and is coming up. Let me share with you my position right now. Here is my main brokerage position. There is my Roth, nearly maxed out. It was not me, Mr. Martin. It was not you. Okay, Ed, I'm sure you sent me something else though, Ed, right? Apologise for that. And there's my overall position, 43,437. So far, all we bought is one share of the S&P, and I'm happy with that. Just one. Coca-Cola, we tried to buy it, and it popped up beautifully. Unfortunately, it didn't go through. Very annoying, that. Never mind. Sent a match star. I've no idea what a match star. So Zach, you are my top gifter today. So, it was a match star. Are you Zach? Are you Eric B? Are you Zach over there on TikTok? Is that you, Zach Harriak? Is that you? A match star. He's my #1 gifter. Yes, it is. Right, let me follow you back. I always follow my top gifters. I follow my members anyway, Eric, so you're in double luck there. You got double benefits. There we go. Sultan Zach. Thank you. Oh, are you a Luca badge owner? No. I think you were, wasn't you? Follow back. There you go. There you go. I followed you back. If you want to grow your channel on TikTok, if you click the little star and become a subscriber, what I do is I make a commercial for you periodically on the homepage of my channel, and it gets you more subscribers. People really like that. It's one of my top perks. Let me show you what it looks like. I did one the other day. Let me go to my playlist, and you can see what it looks like. This is what I call super fans. There you go. Look, this is what it looks like. This is what I make for you. TikTokers to grow their platforms. I've got 31,500 followers. So if you subscribe to me during one of my live shows, I will do this for you. Crow Finance subscribed to me. He clicked the star, and there is his channel on the screen behind me. So I'm going to record this, put this on my channel, and invite all of you to go and check out Crow Finance. Of course, it's got a lot to do with crypto and finance. There you go. So that's what I do, and then that lives on my profile, and others will see it, and I tag you in it, and it gets you more subscribers, more followers. That's the point of that. Anyway. Here to help. I appreciate the support. No, you're very welcome. Now you've become my top gifter today. I will tag you in. I will follow you back and tag you in a viral post. If you want the commercial and the exclusive content, you just become a subscriber. That's what that is up there. All right. Anyway, Eric B. Ed Nevius. Eric, nice one, Eric. Yeah, I know. He supported my channel. He supported my TikTok this morning. Really appreciate that. Nice. Right, Coca-Cola. Oh, I'm so frustrated. I bought Coca-Cola this morning. I cannot flipping believe it. But it's 22% of my portfolio. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's annoying, though, when I set the flipping buy order, though. I went buy, limit order. It didn't go through. I wonder why I didn't. I wonder if I missed something out. Let me just check. Did I miss something out? No, I didn't miss anything out. I don't think so. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's happened now. Martyn, stop going on about it. You're all going, stop going on about it. Anyway, let's get ready to go. Overall portfolio is coming up. Let me just make a slight tweak to that. There you go. That's better. I'm not on TikTok. You're not on TikTok. Zach, I am, Eric, I'm confused. I sent you that. Eric B says, I sent you that. I was talking about the, the gift, and you said, I sent you that, and now you're saying you're not on TikTok. No, I'm not on TikTok. Okay, I'm very confused. Anyway, so I wonder why you were called Zach Harrick, but some people have different names, right? Anyway, Zach, I followed you back. Thank you very much indeed, whoever you are. And Eric, it's not Eric B. I apologize, Eric. Getting confused here. Sometimes this is what happens. You're on Discord. Oh, you sent me the information about, yes, about space. That makes sense. Yes, Eric B. We're finally there. Eric B. sent me this. Thank you very much, Eric. I'm up to date now. I've got you. Sorry about the confusion. Oh, blimey, we're there now. I think you're behind the stream a little bit. Click the live button and come up to date. There you go. S&P's going up. We picked some up. Virgin Galactic, not low enough. Virgin Orbit. I'm very concerned about buying it now. It could default. How much have I got? How much have I got in my Roth? Flipping heck. Ooh, $1,500. I've got $1,500. It's a lot. That's a lot of Virgin Orbit in my Roth IRA. It could default. I'm concerned about it. Who's concerned? Anyway, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon. I'm down 5% on Amazon. I'm just going to wait now till the bell goes. We're not going to do anything else now until the bell goes. So we're going to sit tight and wait now. If you've just tuned in, welcome to you. Let's see if we can get 30 likes on the video in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here we go. 30 likes on the video in 1 minute. Let's bring Mr. Mini-Me in. Here he comes. Let's get 30 likes. There's 27 watching now, but there could be some new people here. 27 watching, and we've got 18 likes. Let's get at least 20 likes. It helps the channel grow, and if we get 100 likes during the show, I'll give away a $10 cash prize as well, just for free, just because I like doing it. All right, everybody over on TikTok is smashing the like button. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, Zach. Who is it? Sean John. Thank you, Sean John. Mr. P.I. Millionaire, I think that is. David is liking the video. Moxter just joined. Welcome. Thank you for the likes. Time's up. We got 18 likes. A little bit quiet today. I don't know why. 20 likes. We did it in the end. I don't know why it's quiet today. Well, I know why it's quiet, because on down days, people don't like the market. And I never understood that. To me, it's the days when you make the money. It's the days when you buy the discount. I never understand that. 28 watching. I am always here every day. Up to 10 hours a day. I never go anywhere. I'm always here with you. I never understand why people give up on the markets on the red days and hide under a blanket. I don't get it. Drop kick that like button, says Eric B. Yeah, drop kick it. Don't literally drop kick your phone or your TV. I'm not recommending that. That's not financial advice. Don't go and do that. Right. So let's watch it right now. Here we go. We've got 5 minutes to go. Now, we can tell you the overall market, we're going to have the best week this week. Mark my words, said Mohammed Kahine. If we do have a great week, it's only for it to be dropped when Jerome Powell speaks. So just bear that in mind. Don't chase any pumps. Don't chase any pumps. I'm more interested in buying the drops. And this is what we're looking at right now. So just bear this in mind. I don't agree with Mohammed. I have to say, a lot of defense for some until CPI data. I hope so, says Eric. Look at the global markets today. So the DAX in Europe, Germany, down 3%, still falling. FTSE down 2.27, still falling. We haven't opened yet the Dow, Nasdaq, New York, and the SPY. So I'm just saying, I don't think I don't see any evidence that it's going to be a brilliant week, but I might be wrong. I'm wrong all the time. Okay, let's go. 4 minutes to go. Are you ready? Have you set your limit orders? Have you got your cash to deploy? I have. Chop Fest coming, in my opinion, says Ed Nevius. J&J threshold 151. Keep watching if it bounces. George Semaine. Let's go back to J&J. 151. Are you covering CPI? Martin, CPI. Hang on, let me go. Hang on. Tomorrow, yes, of course. Tomorrow, of course. Yep. 6:30 tomorrow morning. Previous 5.6%. Consensus is 5.5. Forecast is 5.6. So no drop in prices. That's tomorrow morning at 6:30. Yes, I will be covering it. It's in the newsletter. If you read the newsletter, you would know I flipping well covered it. It's in the newsletter. J&J. I'm down 6%. Not much of a drop right now. I think this CPI will be the most watched in a long time. I think you could be right. NHS strikes. Government says decision to strike is disappointing. NHS strike in the UK. Let me check. Treasury yields plunge most since 1980. Treasury yields plunge most since 1980s. It will, Ed, will determine if new lows or end of year or end of bear market. It's huge. CPI, we'll be covering it tomorrow. We've got 2.5 minutes to go. McDonald's, Amazon, Apple going down, flat right now. I'm on a wash. Lucid, down 17%. Tesla, going back down again. 2 minutes to go. Are you ready? Black Monday, what do you think? Rivian, bouncing up. Virgin Orbit, 106. Are they connected? Does anyone have any information at all that they could be connected with SVB? Because it's not looking good. We know that Rocket Labs is. It's Virgin Orbit in there. Let's see. We'll find out soon. We've got 1 minute to go. Let's get ready. We're watching Virgin Galactic. We're watching the S&P 500. It's going back down again. I bought one this morning. Coca-Cola. 1 minute to go. Here we go. "30 seconds to go. We're going to take the clock off because we're slightly out. 20 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Black Monday. Let's see what happens. Are we up? Are we down? Are we buying discounts? Let's have a look. Here we go. Overall portfolio is just down 0.84 at the moment. My Roth IRA is down. Oh, it's coming back up though. My Roth IRA is bouncing very quickly. And my Roth IRA has turned green. It's turned green for J&J has just gone nuts. J&J has just gone nuts. Let's have a look. There you go. Up 0.49, up 0.69. There you go. And we had that warning, actually, from Jason Fallon announced that there. Look at that. J&J has gone nuts this morning. Brilliant. There you go. My overall portfolio is still down. The S&P is just going sideways from its down position this morning. Virgin Galactic is trying to come up a little bit. Rolls-Royce is down 5.2%. Virgin Orbit is down 1.06%. Rivian is down and going back down again. Tesla is at 168. We've got Lucid now down to 763, starting to go up. Apple is just turned green. Amazon is now coming back up. We're looking for some bargains. McDonald's, still too expensive. Coca-Cola, cannot believe I was buying it. It wouldn't go. Ugh, that's annoying. J&J this morning, nice, up 0.69. I'm down just 5%. It's great. I like the fact I've not spent any money. I've only bought one share at the moment. Coca-Cola, I want that if it drops. Will it drop today, or is that it? Or we're done? It might well be. J&J is on fire, up 0.79. It's 44%, 0.88. J&J is going crazy. This stock doesn't move like this normally, and it's 44% of my Roth IRA. So if that moves everything for me. On my main portfolio, let's go back to J&J on my main portfolio, and 0.9% now. Brokerage account, back to the main account on here, it is 5%. So it's a decent amount of my money, no question about it. But there we go, up very nicely today, up over 1% now. It's bringing my overall portfolio up. Let's go back to the Roth IRA. Let's go back to the old stocks. Go through everything right now. Only 1:30 in the UK. Time clocks went back. Yes, times went our clock went back a week early in Mexico, Texas. The clocks go back an hour earlier than the UK. So for the next week, we're going to be at this new time. It's the same time for me. It's just a new time for you because of whatever. George Tremaine, very nice indeed. Hello everyone. Good morning all, says Craig. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. The overall portfolio is now coming up. The S&P is still down. That suits me actually, because J&J's making me some money here, and I can buy. I can trim off the top if we have a nice little bounce. Anyway, Tesla going back down. Good. Lucid trying to come up. Apple coming up. Amazon coming up. McDonald's, Coca-Cola firing away now. J&J, the big story of the day. I wonder why this is. What is the news around this? There's got to be a reason. Let's do some research. If anyone can find any information for me why J&J is moving up today so much. There's no news here. Hang on a minute. No, that was March 10. Two of the spin-offs to watch 2023. That's old news. We don't know why. If anyone has any information, send it into Discord for me and let me know why you think J&J is doing so well this morning. But it's really taken my Roth IRA through the roof. I'm at 43,500 now. There we go, 43,580. Very, very nice indeed. There's my Roth position, up nearly 0.5% today. Defensive stocks, no question about it. That would beat up, makes sense, right? The uncertainty has surely risen during the last days. First Republic in trouble now. What is this? NYSE Holt First Republic for additional. Is it another bank now? Another bank for additional information last at 28.56. First Republic in trouble now. Good morning, Stephen Lewandowski. Oh, hello. After all that, we're getting some trim off now from J&J. People are trimming it off. That's exactly what I would have done if it had gone up another 5 or 6%. That's exactly what I would have done. Anyway, that's our first morning bounce. Let's have a look. The S&P. This is where I bought it right now. So I wouldn't mind buying some more. Coca-Cola we've got the ex-dividend date in a few days in on the 16th. So we want to get some Coke today if we get a discount. But it's between that and the S&P. Now then, it's going back down again. So this is what I want to buy. I'm not interested right now in loading up on Virgin Galactic. I think we could have a $3 price before long. Virgin Orbit, all over the place now. Is there some involvement with SVB? So let's go back. We want Tesla at 140. Great. So Coca-Cola is firing off. It's not going to let me in. It's not going to let me have it for the price I wanted to pay for it. So I might have to free up that order. It's way off that now. It's a shame. I would have been laughing all the way to the bank if I'd got that. I would have been very, very happy, but never mind. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, defensive stocks running away with it. Google, Microsoft. I think the opportunity for me now is the S&P. I'm going to go back to that. Big drop in Amazon. They scared off Rivian deal. They're scared of Rivian deal. Didn't they sell their position though? George, didn't they sell their position in Rivian though? Tesla puts are incoming, says Ricky Dominic. The certainty has surely risen during the last few days. T.O. Roll, good morning, says Stephen Lewandowski. Everybody over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. Right. I think it's time to go shopping again. Let's look at the heat map. Let's look at the heat map and let's see what's moving. Remember, this is a 15-minute delay on this particular heat map. You can see Bank of America. Bank of America is down 4.38. It's down over 6 years now. Banks are all going down. JP Morgan down 1.47. But we've got the banking sector being massively hit today. Diversified banks. The Bank of America's taken the biggest hit though. Exactly as we'd said that would. Scary times. Is this 2008 all over again? Nowhere near yet. Not even close. But look at Tesla, down 3%. Elon Musk is scaring a lot of people with his potential for buying SVB. So I think I'm going to cancel my order of Coca-Cola because there's no point locking up money. It's gone. It's gone. Cancel the order. Let's free up the money. That ain't going to happen today. Be very surprised if it does. Defensive stocks are taking all the money. There's no surprise there. No surprise at all. Did I say I was frustrated? I would have been up now on Coca-Cola. Anyway, Amazon. Okay, Amazon's a buy. Let's look at Amazon. Let's stand back. Let's take a 5-year perspective. Yes. 10% over 5 years. Amazon is now a buy. Down 40%. Okay. So let's start nibbling now. Let's start nibbling. I've got that other money coming in soon. Buy. Limit order. $88. Just set it for there. Let's just missed it. Wasn't fast enough. That's where limit orders are better if you set them ahead of time. In fact, I'm just going to put it in 88.40 and just leave it. I'm going to make that 1, and then it will remind me to come back and buy another one. So there we go. Review the order. Let's see if we can get that. Go back to Tesla. We want to buy Tesla as well. 165. Not yet. The S&P. I just bought my last one at 350.60. Oh, nice. Oh, it's going down. Let's come back to... sorry about the flare there. McDonald's, Coca-Cola. We got Coca-Cola dividend in a couple of days. Morning traders. Good morning, Roger Fouchon. Might have some money for CPI. You're spending it all straight away again. You're spending it all again. What's wrong with you? Regarding J&J, is it possible they have investments in biotech startups that are funding in SVB so it can bounce a bit based on good news or bad news? I don't know, Tio Roll. It's hard to know, isn't it? Amazon went through. There we go. I just bought one. Just bought one share of Amazon. Martin is very trigger happy. He's like that. He's like that. Oh no, I closed my shorts on Friday. Ali Tisro. Why? I told you it was going to be Black Monday. A massive great promotion. Massive great scary thumbnail. What more can I do? Anyway, I'm very happy. I've lowered my position on Amazon, just one, another one. I'm not going all crazy. I've managed to get VU at an all-time low for me. I just bought one of that. So all I bought so far is 2 shares. So we're just nibbling. I got Amazon at another lower price. Two 2.5%. I have to say I do like Amazon down here. I do like it. Let me end the poll. A minute. I'm looking to buy Amazon, Tesla, Coke, and J&J and VU. These are the things I'm looking for. We've got a nice dividend of Coca-Cola in 2 days' time, so a nice advantage from that one. CPI is tomorrow. It looks like it's going to come in the same. Doesn't look like it's going to come in hot at all. J&J is going up. We're not chasing a pump, so we're not buying that. We tried to buy Coke. It popped away from us. McDonald's is going away. Amazon is still falling. Apple, Lucid. Oh, should we buy Lucid? What do you think? 18.5% now. It's all the way back down again. I just think no one's buying the cars. No one can afford the cars, though. It could go bust. It doesn't matter how great you think it is. I just think, I just don't know. Tesla, I want it at 140. It's what I've been saying for ages. So I'm gonna leave it. Rivian now, need it for $9. I'm just worried, we finally got prices getting cheaper and cheaper, but it's kind of like, at what point is it too cheap? I mean, it's like, at what point does it become junk? Amazon had previous low thresholds, 81, watch it closely, may bounce, 81.44. Amazon had previous low thresholds at 81.44. Watch it closely. May bounce. $81.44. We're looking at Amazon. I just bought one at $88.39. I'm going to set a limit order and just forget about it. I'm going to go 88. I'm going to go 88.30. What the hell? Just one. It's going to go there, isn't it? There we go. 88.30. That's a new low for me. Oh, got it. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at it now, look. I'm trying to build up my Amazon, so I'm interested in it. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, still running away. J&J. Coke is really firing up. Did I mention how I'm annoyed? Amazon, Apple, Lucid, Tesla, 166. If you look at that now over the week, it's down 13% on the week, 10% on the month. Oh, imagine where the market would be without the Fed stepping in. Would be down 10 to 15% in my opinion. It could turn into a rally in my opinion, says T.O. Roll. Oh, Tesla's now coming up. So now we're starting to move again. My portfolio is coming up. Oh, are we turning green? My Roth IRA is having a party. My Roth IRA is having one of its best days. Defensive stocks is the way to go. No question. Look, let me share with you my position now. 43.6. It's working out really great. 43.6 is my value now. 9.2. Look at this. Look at that for a nice little rally on my Roth IRA. All defensive stocks, right? So I picked up a few things this morning. My lowest ever Amazon. My lowest ever VU, S&P. Nearly my lowest ever Coke. Did I mention it? Yes, you mentioned it like 10 times. Stop mentioning it. Roth IRA. Looking good. 43, nearly at 44,000. Very nice indeed. I've got more money coming in. I'll have $1,000 tomorrow and another $1,000 on the 21st because that money hasn't cleared yet. I put $2,000 in my Roth IRA this morning. Rocket Man, how's it going? It's going lovely. It's going lovely till it ain't. Martin is very trigger happy. Excuse me, I was right though, wasn't I? You can sit there and criticize me all you like, but I was spot on. Over there on TikTok, how you doing? Come and join us on YouTube. You're missing a great event today. Amazon had a previous low threshold, 81. Watch it closely. Imagine, what if the market starts expecting a Fed pivot to save everything? I know. Can you imagine? It's why I'm always invested. Flipping heck. This could change a lot of prices. Would rise. There we go. So we picked up the S&P. That was good. Virgin Galactic's had a nice bounce today. Virgin Orbit has bounced back. That's helping my Roth IRA. Rivian, bit, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, flipping heck. There we go. I bought, what, 3 shares? How many did I buy this morning? Was it 3? Yeah, 3 shares of, no, 3 or 2? 2 or 3 shares of Amazon. So that was a good thing to do. Well, I didn't expect to see that. Well, I said it would go down, and it did, and I've just made some good investments from it. Look, if we look at everything now, my brokerage account has turned green. My Roth IRA is having one of its best days. Look at that. 43, nearly 44,000. Get in. And I've got $500 to spend as well. Well, I'm not going to buy it now. I just got back from a holiday, staying on a zoo, watched tigers just outside in my window. Wow, that sounds lovely. Sounds lovely. Very nice indeed. Welcome back. T.O. Roll, if they were going to pivot, they wouldn't bother introducing a depositor protection. Now they've done that, they can keep raising, says 22. Looks fake on way up. Waiting for prices to dip hard. Don't be fooled. It's why I'm not buying the pump at all. At all. I mean, it's nice seeing it go green, but I want to see it go lower again. Just keep buying the dips. I'm not buying it. Yeah, absolutely. Nice though, isn't it? Rob Brennan, good morning to you. The S&P, we bought a share of the S&P this morning at an all-time low, and it's gone up. Virgin Galactic had a very nice bounce today, down nearly 4% at one point, 4.5% bounce. But based on further banks getting in trouble, the recently announced measure aren't effective enough, so the story goes on. DWAC getting close to SPAC price, becoming a bargain. Could easily pump again if the merger is approved. Oh, yeah. I made some money on Donald Trump before. I can't do that again. That was funny. I think HSBC bailed out the bank, right? Yes, they did, Rob. Here it is. You want the news? I'll give you the news. You want the news? I'll give you the news. You want the news? Here it is. There you go. HSB swoops in to rescue UK arm of Silicon Valley Bank. There you go. And what we're concerned about with is space. We do think there could be an opportunity here for Virgin Galactic. It doesn't seem to be connected with Silicon Valley, but Rocket Labs does. So, but we're trying to find out if Virgin Orbit does at the moment. Anyway, let's bring everybody up to date. Let's see how many people have joined in our show today. Let's have a quick look at where we are. We've got 183 have come through the show. That's very good for this time of the morning. Very good indeed. 6761. We lost a subscriber. People don't like boo. He's saying it's going to go down. Don't like that. We got 41 watching. Thank you very much indeed. Smash the like button. If you smash the like button, look. If we get to 100 likes during the show, I will give away a cash prize. I'll put a minute on the clock, shall I? Let's do it. 42 watching now. If we get 100 likes, I'll give a $10 cash prize away, just because I'm nice. You ready? There are now 27 likes. We should have at least 30. Chiggy, pow, pow. Said chiggy, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. There you go, smash the like button. Let's get 2 more likes. We can do it in 30 seconds. If we get to 100 live on the show, I'll give away a cash prize during the show live. For all to witness and see. All right, okay, let's come out of there. Thank you very much indeed. Helping to promote the channel and helping yourself to win some money. I've never done it. I've never given away a $10 prize. We've never quite got 100 likes. We got 99 once. Do you remember that? 99. We were like 1 away. Anyway. Virgin Galactic is holding up at the moment. The overall portfolio is up. This is the dilemma now, says Tio Roll. Tio Roll, it's true, but inflation is the Fed's #1 priority, and it's miles away from the target of 2%. It is indeed. Can taking a shot for each super chat become a permanent feature? Can taking a shot for each super chat become a permanent feature? Sorry, Rob. As lovely as that would be, no, we only do it twice a year. Well, once a year on my birthday, but we also have a celebration on the channel's birthday. And 10 points for anyone who can tell me when is the channel's birthday. All you got to do is look on the About section of the channel and you can tell me. All right? 10 points for anyone who knows the answer to that. Okay, I think they'll keep raising interest rates and try to stop the depositors losing money where they need to. They will lose all credibility if they pivot now, says 22. I think he's dead right. I think he's dead right. The S&P is coming back up. I bought one share this morning. Very, very nice indeed. I got a new all-time low in my Roth IRA. I'm very, very happy with that. I've now got a 12% position, which is exactly what I want. There you go. June 27, 10 points. I need to give him a sound effect, don't I? There you go. Congratulations, 10 points. The S&P, my Roth IRA is at 1%. We're just dropping back a little bit. Virgin Galactic is doing well. I think it'll do well because it's not involved. It seems to be not involved with SVB. So that's interesting. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. We had a little opportunity this morning. It went low, but didn't go low enough for me. I bought the S&P instead, and I bought Amazon instead. And I'm glad I did. Amazon has gone up. I think I bought two shares of Amazon. And a share of S&P, and all of that's gone up. So I'm happy with that. And what's nice is I've still got $1,500. There's 1,000 yet that hasn't showed up yet. But we would like to get Coca-Cola if we get a drop. Remember, we've got the dividends on the 16th. J&J is firing off today, up 2%. It's 44% of my portfolio. On my Roth, so that's helping my Roth big time. But it's also 5% of my general portfolio as well, so that's good. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy. Wow, that's really has taken off. Enphase down 1.57. Bitcoin dropped and back up again, up 0.54. Tilray up 1%, down 12% today. Robinhood. Hi everyone. Ali Isles is here. How are you? My wife's birthday too, June 27th. Well, Stephen Lewandowski, make sure she's watching, and we will celebrate her birthday, because as a member of the channel, you or a family member get celebrated on your birthday. You're gonna make a video for me today. We hadn't finished yet. We haven't finished, Mohammed. Remind me later. We haven't finished yet. I'll make your video. Don't you worry. IonQ going up. Canute. Come back up. Ford. Rio Tinto. Meta. Very nice indeed. So we've got some more cash coming in. That's good. We bought the S&P. That was good. We bought Amazon. That was good. Didn't go mental. I'm never going to get over Coca-Cola at 59 flat. Never going to get over that. I would have been up now like 1%. See how quickly it can change. Markets are green indeed. Yep. What opportunities presented us this morning. I hope you all got some benefit from it. I hope everyone got something. Let me see. Did anyone benefit from this? From the really scary start to taking some profit, to getting some money? Did anyone profit? So did you benefit today? That means either you've made a profit or you bought some stocks that were low, that have gone up. So did you benefit today from any of this? I hope you did. I got 1 share of VU and 2 or 3 shares of Amazon, and they've both done well so far. So there you go. Did you benefit from today so far? Let's see how many of you benefited so far. I mean, it's a long way from being over. I'm at 43,981. So we're nearly at our 44. Well, 45 is our new target. Wow, Switzerland is expensive. It is. I've been there. It's one of the most expensive countries in the world. Everyone is so rich. I just spent 10 on a flat white. I know. It's ridiculous. It's the most expensive country in the world, second to Norway. Insane. You got to have money to live there, mate. You need to come home quick, Ali, before they find out you ain't got any money. You need to come home quick. There you go. Look, 43,963. 44,000. Look at that. Boom. Get in. Are we going to get to 45,000? 67% of you benefited from today. I'm really pleased for you. Doesn't have to be realised gains, just the fact that you benefited so far. Did you buy all-time low prices today? Really expensive, Ali. Have a mate who lives there, and it's crippling every time I go. You need to find some friends from. You need to find some friends from Ilogan. Lot cheaper there. Is our Ilogan friend in? Is he here? Is he here? Andrew Grady. Is Andrew Grady here from Ilogan? Yeah, it's a bit cheap. It's Ilogan and Switzerland is a little bit different in price. Yes, definitely. How's Coinbase looking? Crypto is up. I think people are waking up to BTC being the solution to the banking crisis. Oh, yes. You're lucky you don't drink, Ali. Yes, I came here for a job interview. It went well. Congratulations. It went well. Let's put everybody wish Ali Tisrow good luck for his job. Everyone wish Ali Tisrow good luck. Hang on, I can't spell good luck. Good luck, Ali. I want to see a viral post. I want to see viral post. You ready? Copy and paste. There you go. Good luck, Ali. One of our family members, one of our friends, one of our buddies, one of our pals. Ali Tisrow. And we'll talk about Coinbase right now, actually. So, if you just tuned in, please click subscribe and ring the bell. I've got to go in a minute. It's water aerobics day. Smash the like button. Let me know you're here. There he is, Andrew Grady. Flat white is not $10 in Logan. They only sell pasties. There you go. Ooh, here he is. Good luck, Ali. There you go. Lovely. Everyone's doing it. Thank you very much indeed. Very, very nice indeed. The S&P is going up. Good luck, Ali. Right, so what I did, I took my my USDC just for the day, or 2 or 3, or however long I feel comfortable, off Coinbase, and I put it on my ledger, just in case. I had no fear of Coinbase disappearing or anything, but it's my job to protect my money, right? It's all about risk management. Some of you might say it's an overreaction. Well, it didn't cost me anything. It's free. However, I'm losing 4% while it's sitting over here. So I need to stick it back pretty quick. Anyway, there you go. There is my USD coin. USD coin is now virtually back to where it was. As you can see, 710 USD. It's worth 708. But look at Bitcoin going up. So that's why my ledger looks a lot more money in it, because I put that in there. Let's go over now to Coinbase and look. I can't show you the assets, of course, because that's all part of our crypto challenge, which is what we're talking about right now. So if you want to be on our crypto challenge, You can see today how things have risen. I can't show you the assets because it's top secret. You need to be in our crypto challenge, $1,000 to $10,000 crypto challenge. But you can see today we are up. Started at 327 and now we're at 350. So crypto is up today. The assets that we hold, and it's $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, and I've still got my $1,000. In fact, I'm up by about $50 right now. If you bring in the if I bring back the USD coin. Now, if you want to be part of our crypto challenge, it's Ali Tisro's a premium service. I'm going to give it to you now. Here's the link. This is Ali's Discord server. On his server, he offers a service where he does charts, analysis for you, tells you what assets to buy, when to buy them, when to sell them. I don't have to concern myself or worry about it. It's all there on Ali Tisro's server. It's a premium server. You will pay a fee for it, but you can obviously make a lot of money from it. This is not financial advice, but I am on the challenge myself. I'm on the 1,000 to 10,000. I couldn't afford the 7,000 to 100,000. I'm on the 1,000 to 10,000 challenge myself with my own real money, and I am following it. I am putting the money in. If, however, you want to get a lifetime discount to the services and get my membership virtually free, you can use my Discord server and be a member of mine, and you'll get a lifetime discount. There's my Discord server, and here is the invitation to join should you wish to be a member of mine, and I can upgrade you live on the show and get you involved. There you go. Now then, I'll give you a little taster of what you can see. Let me go over to the breakfast bar first of all on Discord. If you are a member of our channel, you can be part of our breakfast bar. We've only got Mike this morning. Rubbish. This is terrible, folks. The breakfast bar, only, who's coming this morning? Brick Mark, Eric B, and Mike. That's the worst I've ever seen it. Rubbish. Anyway, down the outside, you will see Ali Tisro's tips. This is where you can go and get the lifetime discount to Ali Tisro's tips and everything that we're doing here on the crypto challenge. However, should you wish to go there directly and you want to pay full price and you don't want a discount from me, and you can go directly there. And this is the Tees channel I'm going to show you on Ali Tisro's server. I don't want to give away all the goodies, right? These are the sort of charts that you will get. Ali will tell you what to buy, when to buy it, and all the rest of it. And that's what I'm following. And it's great. I don't have to concern myself with all the ins and the outs of the whole thing. So there you go. There's the Ali Tisro Crypto Challenge. And if you look below on our homepage of our channel and you go to the playlist of our channel, you will see the Crypto Challenge here. There we are. There are 10 videos in the Crypto Challenge telling you what we're doing and what we've been buying and all the information on it as well. There is the Crypto Challenge playlist. All right, on the homepage of the channel. Okay, very good. We do believe that the Fed will hike rates in March. We're all expecting it. Yep. 22nd of March, we'll be there for it. Right, it's time for Day Trader of the Day. If you just tuned in, welcome everybody. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Later on, by this time tomorrow, this video will be in 13 different languages. So the market now expecting no hike. Hang on a minute. We do not believe the Fed will hike rates in March. So the market now expecting no hike in March. Sorry, I misread that. I thought we were going to get a 0.5. That's the general consensus. Do not. Yes, I read it again. I read it back. God, my flipping heck. I made one mistake and it comes flooding in. The corrections come flooding in. All right, I read it. I corrected myself. Look at it. I got Ali Isles, Ali Tisro straight away. Even 22. Look, 22 came back. God, you say one thing wrong. You say one thing wrong and everyone jumps all over you. That's the point. You see, I've got great people around me. Well, That really could be a pivot then. What do you think of that, 22? That could be a pivot. Oh, Virgin Galactic is loving it. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple. That's because you never make mistakes. That's right, I never make mistakes. Ali Isles, I never make mistakes. Interest rate hike shock the system, too aggressive. We've got to get you on something. We've got to get you on. Absolutely right. Ooh, flipping heck. Right, time for day trader of the day. Well, I'm happy. I would like to not to have to buy every day. I would like to stop investing. I'd like to start building up my cash. So today I feel good. I bought a couple of shares of Amazon, and that's great. I bought a share of Avu. That's great. Didn't buy loads. Is this the bottom? Is the bottom in? I said the bottom was in December. I still stand by that. But it's okay to have some cash because there will be independent stocks that do drop and present opportunity. Even if I may not be able now to buy the S&P again at this level or whatever, that's fine. I can start banking up cash in my brokerage account and earning 4%. So I've always got 5,000-10,000 earning 4% ready for something that drops on an earnings report or whatever. You know, I've already put like about $80,000 into my portfolio. So I've already massively invested anyway. So it doesn't matter if I miss a few pumps, does it? You don't see mine on the Breakfast Lounge. Let's have a look. Breakfast Lounge. Let me go over there. Breakfast Lounge. I'm getting told off here now by Ali Tisro. Breakfast Lounge. Breakfast Lounge. It's called the Breakfast Bar. It's called the Breakfast Bar. That's why. Right. Here we go. Ali Tisro. Oh, look at that. Is that not the most beautiful sight in all the world? Reminds me of Cornwall, apart from doesn't have mountains. Look, he's got his flat white, looking at the mountains and the lakes of Switzerland. Is there anything more beautiful than that? Now, Ali Tisro, I want to make absolutely sure that you are in paradise right now. That plastic cup you've got there is not going in that flipping lake. That plastic cup is going in the recycling. I want a photograph of that cup being deposited into a recycle bin. If I don't see a photograph of that cup going into a recycle bin, I would assume you tossed it in the lake. And there'll be hell up. There'll be hell up from all the boys from Cornwall. They'll be going, "Oi, Ali, you're in paradise. Sort it out." And then we'll send you back, and you can go in the lake and fish it out. I'm just saying, Ali Tisro. I'm giving him a hard time, and I love it. He loves it. He loves it. All right, okay, where are we? J&J just dropping off slightly. Let me go back to my main position. My money is going up quickly. How about the Breakfast Club? It's called the Breakfast Bar. Project Freedom. You can't even access it. What are you on about? Project Freedom. You can't even access it. You're not a member. You can't even see it. 100% biodegrade cup. Is it? Spot on. Spot on. I like that. Is it Lake of Constance? Love it. Right, okay. Day trader of the day. We got to go. Let me run a quick commercial break. Bring everybody up to date. I've got to get out of here. I've got water aerobics with my mate Jerry. Let me click commercial break. Everyone skip the ad. Come up to date. Day trader of the day on your main brokerage account. So I am up 0.35. I managed to buy some deals this morning. I've got some cash on hand now. Love it. Do you like it? Am I happy? Yes. Yes. I'm up 0.35. Up 0.38. There you go. We've got a nice little bounce now on my ledger. My crypto is going up. My USD coin is now worth more. Look at that. USD coin. I've got 710. It's worth 711. What's all that about? Look at that, Ali. Look at that. It's reversed. Oh my gosh, it's flipping reversed. What's going on? What's going on? What about on Coinbase for our assets? Let's have a look. 356. Yeah, that's going up from 327. So that's looking good. You're absolutely right. People seem to be getting into crypto today. Look at that. The whole map's turning green. That's nice. The banks are still suffering. Look, Bank of America, nearly 5% now. JP Morgan. Ouch. Banks are going to be getting a slap today. Difficult day for the banks. Up 11%. Oh, you would be. On a day I thought I was going to win, you would be. Where's my score? Hang on. Flipping heck, you're all too quick. Blimey. Let me put a minute on the clock. I turn around and everyone posts their scores in 5 seconds. I can't believe it. So here we go. Up 0.35. Flight Channel is up 0.37. Stephen Lewandowski is up 1.11. I know Project Freedom. I'm having some fun with you. Ali Isles is down 0.6. Ali Tisro 11%, down 11.46. Mohammed up 2.5. I bought USD coin at 92. Easiest money I've ever made. DAX getting absolutely hammered. What about Wells Fargo? I haven't got a chance to look at it now, but it looks like Ali Tisro is our winner today. Ali Tisro, why didn't you ring me up? Why didn't you ring me up? Why didn't you get me on the phone and say, Martin, buy yourself some USD? You didn't tell me to do that, did you? Ooh, Ali Tisro, too busy swanning around in Switzerland to call his mate up and say, Martin, buy yourself some USDC. He never mentioned it. He never said a word to me. He kept that quiet, didn't he? Eh? He kept that quiet. He wanted to make sure he was going to win today. Yes, the DAX is getting hammered. What about Wells Fargo? Drew is up 2.6. No bloody idea. Congratulations, Ali Tisro. So, Ali Tisro, thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. Here we go. Congratulations, Ali. Now, if at the end of the day we are green, I've got to make a video telling Mohammed Kahine that I was wrong. We had a little bet this morning. If it was red, he was going to give me a super chat. If it was green, I've got to make a video saying I was wrong. Russian Defense Minister. Russia-China relations have become a pillar of global stability. It was on Discord. Well, what? That's no good, is it? You sent... Look, I'm not like everybody else. I'm not like the riffraff. Don't treat me the same as everybody else, Ali. I thought me and you were on special terms. I thought I get private messages. I don't look on Discord like all the other people, like all the riffraff, like all the ones in the crypto challenge. No, they're all scrambling around looking in the Discord. I get private messages. At least I thought I did. Obviously, no. Obviously, the top service now goes to those on the crypto challenge. I don't get notified. I used to get treated with respect. I used to get private little messages from Ali Tisro. Now he's rich and famous and he's got all these members on it. Don't bother. He doesn't even message me anymore now. I don't get nothing. I'm sitting here waiting for a message, sipping away on my little drink, waiting. In a minute, Ali Tisro will tell me what to buy. No. Apparently it's all going on in Discord. No message for me. It wasn't part of the challenge, sorry. Well, that's all right. That's all right. Don't you worry about it. You just let me sit here losing money. Don't you worry about me, Ali Tisro. Don't you worry about me and my future. Don't worry about my pension. Don't worry in like 20 years' time when I'm sitting there in Cornwall with an old man with a little cat on my lap, stroking my cat going, I got no money. If only Ali Tisro told me, I'm doing that with my little cat, look. If only Ali Tisro told me to buy USD. He was too busy on Lake Constance with his plastic cup to tell me Yeah, and I'll be there stroking my cat going, if only I could go to the pub now and buy myself a pint of beer. But I've got no money because Ali Tisrow couldn't care less about me. He rung me up and told me. He didn't bloody ring me, did he? He's too busy ringing you, Ali Isles. That's what's going on. Fed pivot from price control to riot control. Rob 7876. We've got a guest just coming in today going, what the hell? Wow, BTC is flying. Let's have a little look. I've got my BTC. Oh yes. Should we have a look at it? Oh, there we go. So let me have a quick look on my ledger. 1546 becomes. It's already 1546. All right, okay. I refreshed it and go, it's already the same. Okay, this is my position on my ledger right now. BTC is the future. People are waking up to the banks thanks to the call, Ali. Oh, I see. Andrew Grady got a phone call as well. That's brilliant. I'll just sit here. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. I'll just sit here and miss out on all the wonderful things that are going on. Don't worry about me. I'll just be live every day for you, 10 hours a day, earning $2.50 a day on YouTube. While all of you get rich, don't worry about me. Don't worry about Martyn. I'm the one. Remember, it was me who brought you together with Ali Tisrow. Remember, it was me that brought everyone together. And I'm sitting here stroking my cat going, I wish I had some money. Everyone's phoning everybody. No one's phoning me anymore. Right. Okay, we've got 5 minutes. Let me open the broadcast lounge, see if anybody wants to phone up. Right, the broadcast lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in and say hello. I might not pick up an answer though, all right? Thanks for the call, Ali, Andrew Grade. I told you Bitcoin pump half an hour ago. You didn't phone me up, did you? You just mentioned it in the chat. Just mentioned it. It's not special. I'm supposed to be treated special here. It's my show. Ali did a conference call with about 38 of us and told us all to buy. Why weren't you in the call? Thanks for the call, Ali. I made $1 million. And and Martyn didn't. That's nice. Now people are rubbing it in. Not only have they all made $1 million, I got nothing. Nothing, not a bloody thing. I think that's bloody cheeky, to be honest. Right, I've got just a couple of minutes ago. We're going to get out of here. How many we got watching now? We got 41 watching. Welcome to all of you if you just tuned in. Welcome to the madness. It's like this come again tomorrow. Come again tomorrow. It's like this every day here. It's like this every day around our house. Come here again tomorrow. Don't come for the financial don't come for the financial stuff. Come for the abuse. That's what it's same every day. I have to put up with this nonsense every day. Thanks for the tip, Ali. Yeah, thanks for the tip. Yeah, brilliant. S&P. Yeah, don't worry about me. Just buying the S&P going down. Virgin Galactic. No one told me about that one either. Rivian. Tesla. Oh, I don't care. Don't worry about me. See, the trouble is, guys, what you don't seem to realise is if you don't take care of me, when you're all making your money, if you don't bring me in on the circle, I just don't go live anymore, and you lot don't talk to each other anymore. Remember that. If I don't go live, you don't talk to each other. No one will know what's going on. Take care of me, I'm telling you. I love it. Everyone made thousands. I didn't make $1 million. I only made 200 grand. Yeah, what's going on here? I'm still sitting there stroking my cat. Wish I could go to the pub. If only I had money like Ali Tisrow and all the gang, but no one cared about me. No one cares. Right. I think it's quite rude, to be honest. Join the Discord to make millions. Let's close Martyn's channel. What do you mean? You can't close you can't close my channel. Mohammed, you can't close it. I close. I close my channel. You don't have no control over my channel. Right. Okay, we got 5 minutes to go. Everybody on TikTok, I do apologise for this morning. This is what it's like every day on my YouTube channel. I go live 10 hours a day and it's absolute chaos. It's absolute chaos. We make money, we have a laugh, we help everybody, and no one takes care of me. Nothing. Rubbish. You should have been here for my birthday. On my birthday a couple of days ago, on Thursday, right, they were paying me, they were giving me super chats to drink whiskey. And someone said, I think you should scrub the music channel, scrub the financial channel, just do a channel where you get drunk online on the show and we'll pay you to do it. It was hilarious. Apparently that would be better. But I thought about it for about 3 minutes and thought, it's not going to end well for me, is it? So anyway, we scrubbed that idea. I thought it was the Ali Tisro show. Yeah, it certainly sounds like that. I should take over the YouTube channel. Only make Martyn a guest in the broadcast lounge. At least he's got it right. At least it's the broadcast lounge. We're all at the pub drinking a beer. Are you? Everyone's in the pub having a beer, and I'm here on my own. Brilliant. I agree, Ali. Right, that's it. You're all banned. I'm gonna ban everyone. I've got a button here says time out. I'm gonna time everybody out. Right, that's it. We're done. We've done day trader of the day. I'm sick of it. I've had enough. I basically get up in the morning at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. I have a shower, shave, put on my suit and tie, get the studio set up just to get abused from all of you lot. I don't know why I bother. I'm just going to focus on TikTok from now on. From now on, it's just about TikTok. TikTok, you are more important to me. I know I earn nothing from YouTube ads from you. I get nothing from TikTok. The Chinese government don't pay me anything. All right? But you are now my best friends. The people on YouTube, they're a waste of bloody time. I gave up on Discord. I seem to post in the wrong place. Well, yeah, because Bill, you have got your very own Bentley the Dog channel. And that's where you post Bentley the Dog posts, right? If you want to go in the general chit chat, you don't post your focused content in there. You've put your focused content in your own channel, and in the general chit chat, you do general chit chat. See, that's how it works. Every channel's got its own subject. You've got to stick to the subject, otherwise it creates chaos. Toodaloo. Looks like Bill's off. See you later, Bill. You're around, Ali. Goes live 10 hours a day, apart from the 4 days you leave early for water dancing. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. I should take over the YouTube channel and Martyn will be a guest. Right, I'm done. It's time to go. I've taken enough of this. I've had enough. Let me have a quick look. I'm not going to set any buy orders. I'm going to let everything just run for the day. Going to leave the cash on hand. I've got $500. We'll have a little look at J&J tomorrow. We'll give it some time. But Apple is running away. Amazon's gone up. McDonald's has trimmed back a little bit. Coca-Cola just trimming back a little bit. No surprise. People taking profits. It makes perfect sense. But anyway, that's it from me. I'm out of here. I've got to go water aerobics. We're up 6,761 subscribers. Thank you very much indeed. See you all back later. But that's it. It's a green day. It's a green day, isn't it? It's a green day. All right. 156582 on my ledger. The crypto is up. My Roth IRA is up. And we're now at 43,944. So we're just touching 44,000. You were going. Yes, you're right. You're right. I'm out of here. Let's roll the credits. I just love it too much, Bill. You see, you said you were closing, so I toodled. You were going. I know, Bill. I'm confusing myself. If don't worry about it. You got no chance of understanding what's going on here. I confuse myself. So let's go. End camera. Get rid of the overlays. Do the tickers. Press all the buttons. Do the credits. The credits are going to be rubbish. I've given such amazing entertainment, and there was nothing to celebrate today. No super chats. Oh, there might be one. There might be one actually. Super chats. Mohammed Kahin saved the day. Thank God for that. I thought I was in trouble. Right then. Thanks for all the follows over there on TikTok. I'll see you all back later on for the closing bell. If you are my top gifter, I will follow you back today, and I will tag you in my viral post. If you click the little star up here and become a subscriber, later on this afternoon, I will make a commercial for you and advertise your channel. I've got 31,000 followers, so if you want to grow on TikTok, I'm here to help you. I only ever do this for my members of YouTube, my top gifters, and my subscribers. That's it. I don't follow anybody else. I never message you. I'm just here to help people, right? Be very careful of the scammers on TikTok. There are over 100 pretending to be me. I will never message you ever. I only ever reply to your messages that you send me first. Okay? If you subscribe, hitting the little star up here, I will put your channel on this screen here, and I will make a commercial for you, tag you in it, and introduce your channel to my 31,000 followers here on TikTok and the hundreds of thousands across all my other platforms. It's a great way to promote your channel. So if you want me to help you grow, just click the start and become a subscriber, or become a top gifter and I follow you back. All right? There you go. I will see you all back this afternoon. Thank you ever so much indeed. I wanted to see more drone footage, Bill. The drone footage is in his channel, not in the general chit-chat. Ali Tisro, don't start winding Bill up. Bill has finally realised where to put his videos, in his own channel. It's not a general chit-chat channel. If it was, everybody would put everything in one channel. Don't confuse him, Ali Tisro. Ali Isles. That's it. Thank you very much indeed. We're all done. I'm off to water aerobics. Thank you for my super chat for Mohammed Kahin. Until next time, have a wonderful afternoon. See you back in a bit. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.